If you're seeing an MSN error when sending email, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This issue usually happens for one of two reasons. Your Microsoft storage is full, or there's a small formatting problem in the recipient email address. The good news is that both problems are usually easy to fix once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. First, remember that Microsoft connects your email capacity with your OneDrive storage space. That means if either your Outlook mailbox storage or your OneDrive storage is completely full, Microsoft may block you from sending or receiving new mail. So the first thing you want to do is check your storage. Open your browser and sign into your account at the Outlook web portal. Once you're signed in, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the settings menu, go to General, then choose Storage. On this page, you'll see storage bars that show how much space you're using. Take a close look at both limit bars, because if either one is full, that can trigger the MSN error and stop your email from going through. If you notice that your storage is maxed out, the fastest fix is to free up space. Go to your deleted items folder and empty it completely. Then check your junk email folder and empty that too. These folders can hold a surprising amount of mail and attachments, and clearing them often solves the problem immediately. After that, go back and try sending your message again. In many cases, the email will go through right away once the storage issue is fixed. Now, if your storage is fine and you're still getting an error, the next thing to check is the recipient address itself. A tiny typo, a trailing space, or even an invisible copy and paste character inside the to field can cause Microsoft's outgoing server to reject the whole message. This is one of the most overlooked causes of sending errors, so it's worth checking carefully. Click into the to field and review the email address line by line. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the end, no stray commas, and no extra periods inside the address string. If you're sending to more than one person, make sure each recipient is separated with a clean semicolon, not a comma, unless the format specifically supports it in your client. The safest move is to delete the address completely and type it again manually, especially if you copied it from somewhere else. That removes hidden characters that you may not be able to see. After correcting the address, try sending the email one more time. If the issue was caused by formatting, the message should send normally. So to quickly recap, if MSN email won't send, first check your Outlook and OneDrive storage in the Outlook web portal, then empty deleted items and junk email if either storage bar is full, and finally verify the recipient address for typos, spaces, punctuation mistakes, or bad separators. These two checks solve a huge number of send failures, and they're the best place to start before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. If this helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Microsoft email tips, and leave a comment if you want help with another Outlook or MSN problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.